girls, can you say happy 4th of July?
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday and 4th of July.
Yeah, it's America's birthday.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ooh, pretty.
Perfect spot to see the fireworks, right?
Yeah.
So you guys, we're inside the airport
Right on my watch.
watching the fireworks. And we have Grandma sitting right over here, if you can see her,
Probably not.
standing. We got both girls lit up like little 4th of July firecrackers.
Ooh, look at the, you like the colors? Ooh. Man, they're everywhere.
Did you raid their candy stash?
They had a candy stash?
No, they probably don't have one.
Oh, we don't have enough. We might have some chips, maybe.
That was pretty cool. Did you see
Might have
that
some
star?
chips. Those were the purple ones?
I might go in there. Ooh, so pretty.
What the heck?
Probably a rat.
Yeah. Yeah, mice. There's nobody else here. How cool would it be able to fly?
And an airplane, yes, that'd be awesome. Wow. Ooh. See, no mosquitoes. How nice is this? No mosquitoes. We got a nice breeze because it's all open.
Yeah.
Nobody around to bug us.
Nobody. Just us.
Are you sitting on there? You could probably turn it around. If you want to like face the front,
Drive it around, Mom.
turn it around.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna drive this.
Why not?
I don't know how to drive this.
Like a car? Right foot is gas,
Hello?
left foot is brake.
That's it.
Look at all the fireworks.
Look at the fireworks, girls. No way. No way. All done? No.
That sucked. Yeah. I'm sorry, my ashes is better than that.
Oh, there you go.
Okay.
They were kidding. It was a joke.
They just wanted to mess with us.
My neighbor actually helped run the fireworks. So we can get in like 15 feet away or 20 feet away from them actually shooting them off.
Yeah, bounce, silly bounce.